boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to ALOK and James Arthur. Their song called Work With My Love. So this one is an up-tempo dance song or so. We will look at the chords that goes round around in the same order through the entire song. So that's great and easy. So let's start. No need for any cape on this one. And we'll start with a bar chord here. This is the F sharp minor. So a bar on the second fret over all strings, and then the rest will be fourth on A and fourth on D. Then the next chord will be D. So D is open D. Oh, sorry for the bad sound there. Open D, second G, third B, and second E. And then we have the next is the E chord. That is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And then the final chord will be B. I will do the sus version like I usually do most of the times when it's just not necessary to go with the B. I do the sus. So that is pretty similar but much easier. A bar here on the second fret from the A string and down, so all strings except from the last E here. So 5 strings there, and then the rest will be fourth on D and fourth on G. All right, so there you have the chords and the progression. F sharp minor, D, E, and B. All right, so we will look at the strumming here. So grab the F sharp minor chord, and one strum around will be down, up, down, down, clap. So, like that. Alright, so down, up, down, down, clap. It's one round. So with this chord progression, you're gonna play 2 rounds strumming for F sharp minor, then 1 for D, 1 for E, and 4 for B. All right, so F sharp 2, D1, E1, B4, like this. Alright guys, and that is what you need to play Work With My Love. So good luck with this one guys, play tuned.